status in your profile that tells you if you're out of office, etc., and you can put dates in. However, it doesn't actually tell you that those people are out of office, other than that little symbol there, which people might not see. So the automation is added that if I try and message somebody that is out of office, the app will go and check their work status. They'll go and see if there's a date added. So some people don't add the date. This one hasn't got the date in, but if it did, it will tell them when they're back. And it gives a nice little message to say, look, Mr. Test is out of office. They'll respond when they're back. Which is quite a simple value add, but it just ticks that box of keeping people informed and communicating on transparency. Now, there are some limits to this. Obviously, you want to be careful where you use this, because it will trigger on every update. So if you've got a very big update, a board that's updated quite a lot, which is fine, you probably want to save this automation for those boards. I was going to build this account wide, but I think it's going to be way too heavy on the automation. So cautious on when you use it, but the functionality is there, and the notification will come through from whoever created the automation. So obviously this one was me, but if it was you, then your face would pop up here. Again, we've added in this via the community cookbook, so people know that it's an automated message. Again, if you have anything that you want to add to the cookbook, anything that you think is value add, anything that you would love to see / use, give me a message. We're always adding things like this. The price never changes, so the more we build, the more value for everybody. So give me a message. Cheers, guys.